Welcome to an in-depth look at CompassGenie. We aren't just building a wrapper around maps, we are building an agentic system that understands spatial context. Our stack uses FastAPI for the backend, Gemini 1.5 Flash for reasoning, and LangGraph to manage the decision-making cycle. Example 1, the zero-input local discovery. The focus, automatic geolocation and intent recognition. Starting with our first scenario, planning a day locally. Notice that the UI automatically captures the user's coordinates. When I type, "Find me the nearest bowling spot," the agent doesn't have to ask where I am. Technical deep dive. Behind the scenes, the agent node receives the GPS coordinates and the query. It realizes it needs to search for points of interest. It calls the Google Maps text search tool, passes the results, and then, critically, uses the Polyline decoder to draw the paths from the user's current location to these venues. This is the difference between a list of links and a functional map. Example 2, the Purse and AQI Challenge. The focus, multi-tool reasoning. Now, let's push the reasoning. We want a specific item, a purse under 500 rupees, but in an area with healthy air. The agent now has to manage a fan-out pattern, searching for markets while simultaneously checking the Google Air Quality API. It filters the results based on the budget constraint and the environmental safety threshold. Example 3, weather and state persistence. In our third example, we start a fresh session to test the agent's speed. I simply ask, "What's the weather in Udaipur?" The agent immediately recognizes the location and triggers the weather tool. It retrieves the current temperature and conditions instantly, demonstrating that the system is always ready for on-demand data retrieval, even without prior conversation history. Example 4, distant exploration, the grand finale. The focus, long-distance routing. For our final and most comprehensive demonstration, we're heading to the capital of Kerala, Trivandrum. This is where we see the full power of the agentic loop. The planning logic. The agent recognizes Trivandrum and immediately begins structuring a balanced day out. It identifies the specials of the city, recommending the architectural wonder of the Padmanabhaswamy Temple, the history of the Napier Museum, and a visit to Veli Lake. Geospatial synthesis. Watch the map as the Polyline decoder renders the journey. The agent isn't just listing spots, it's calculating the flow of the day. It accounts for the distance from the city centre to the temple, ensuring the itinerary is geographically logical. Cultural context. When I asked for specials, the AI went beyond coordinates. It suggests trying local delicacies like puttu or appam. It's synthesizing real-time maps data with deep cultural knowledge to provide a travel experience that feels personal and expert. I hope this demonstration gave you a clear look at how CompassGenie bridges the gap between AI reasoning and real-world spatial data. Thanks for watching.